So, hi, dear Capricorn. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same if you want to. You can just book your slots via my website. Okay, and if you have any queries, you can mail me. So let's start, Cappies. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Wow. So they are feeling extremely chaotic, extremely conflicted, extremely in this energy of what the hell is going on. I really don't have any idea. They were at peace. They were in the surrender mode till now, right? And they were trying their best to see things and people and situation and everything from a different perspective. They were trying to understand your point of view as well. Now something is shifting in them, big, big, big time, and now they're supremely restless. They're restless. They are not in this energy of keeping their calm. It's like suddenly out of the blue they're realizing something in this situation is really, really chaotic, and it is making them restless. Wow. So they're like losing their sleep because of whatever is happening. They're losing their sleep because of god, the internal conflict, the internal chaos that they're going through. Okay. And they're not able to understand what the actual heck they're feeling for the situation. So a lot of overwhelming emotions, and they're fighting with themselves all the time regarding the situation, like what the hell is happening. So it's a sudden realization of some kind of conflict that they're going through, and it's making them restless. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Nine of Cups, the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles. Their intention is to sort it out with you big, big, big time. It's their wish fulfillment. To have equal give and take of energy in the situation, to have a stable relationship with you, to have a stable base in the situation so that you guys can have a happily ever after kind of a deal with each other. They definitely want to sort it out with you on the level of having a long-term partnership, a stable relationship, a commitment kind of energy between you and them, and involving the families also in the situation. This is what they want: equal give and take of energy, wish fulfillment, happiness, long-term partnership. This is what they want. They want to sort it out with you big time. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 22nd of December, Cappies. We have the Eight of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Three of Wands. See, I do see this person going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth in their own energies within themselves, and they're not sure what they should do in this direction. That is why this person is kind of waiting for the right time when they will be able to say something or do something in this direction. I don't see this person taking any kind of action because they are very confused, very much in this energy of what should I do, what should I do, what should I do, Scooby Dooby Doo. And then they are deciding not to do anything about it, and they are in this energy of, okay, let's wait and watch for the right time when I will be able to stabilize my own energies and when I will be able to connect with Capricorn the way I should. So this person is extremely in a chaotic kind of energy where they don't know what they should do and how they should react and how they should approach you. That is why they are going to take more time, but they have this energy of wanting to reconcile sooner or later in this lifetime. They definitely want to at least sort it out with you in the manner of at least having a proper closure, or at least having a proper goodbye. Hmm. For you, the guidance here is the Moon card. The more you are going to be scared, the more you are going to live in some kind of fear, or the more you are going to feel insecure in your love and relationship area, the more you are going to attract these kind of energies only towards you. And that is not healthy at all. You have to have this kind of energy of you are loving, you are caring, you are a good person, so you deserve the best for yourself, right? So you're continuously living in some kind of fear, you're continuously living in this energy of maybe I will never be able to attract that kind of person, that kind of energy towards me, so I should just stay away from love. This fear, this insecurity is going to attract more fearful and more insecure kind of people towards you. Work on your limiting belief, work on this programming of your mind, okay, and let this fear go. Then only you will be able to attract a healthy person, healthy energy towards you, healthy connection. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.